Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that 5G network is not working on iPhone since updated the iPhone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Turn on and off airplane mode. For that, launch Settings app on your iPhone. Turn on airplane mode. Wait for 20 seconds and turn it back on. Solution 2. Turn off low data mode. To do this, go to Settings app, tap on Mobile Service. Next, tap on Mobile Data options. Turn off low data mode. Solution 3. Turn off and on your iPhone. For that, navigate to Settings. Next, find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Shutdown. Turn off your iPhone by dragging the slide to power off slider to right side. Wait for a few seconds and turn your device back on. Solution 4. Reset network settings. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. Solution 5. Eject the SIM card and reinsert it. First, turn off your device and remove the SIM card. Then reinsert it. Now check 5G network is working or not. Solution 6. Update iPhone. To update, open the Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.